This large, bright container house with a sloping roof is located in Main Arm, New South Wales, Australia. This container house was brought to life by Container Build Group, known for their expertise in creating unique living spaces out of shipping containers. This container house was built using 3 20-foot shipping containers and an additional section of conventional construction that has been inserted between the 2 containers. Nestled among the lush green hills of Main Arm and surrounded by serenading melodies of nature, this unique eco-home is a seamless blend of innovation and luxury. The house is made up of a large living room, a fully equipped kitchen, a functional bathroom, and 3 beautiful bedrooms. The impressive interior features an open plan and airy layout with high ceilings, allowing for abundance of natural light. The lounge area features a comfortable leather couch, perfect for taking a nap, and floor-to-ceiling glass windows that provide an intimate connection with nature. The intricate details like the wooden chest and the variety of art pieces show a personal touch and love for unique and meaningful decor. From the lounge area is a custom dining table with bench seating. From the dining, there is an immaculately designed kitchen where functionality meets modern aesthetics. The sleek and contemporary space features stainless steel appliances, wooden countertops, and under the counter plus overhead storage cabinets. The kitchen has an island which provides additional working counter space. Of the living space is the first bedroom. It has a queen-sized bed and provides a comfortable sleeping space. The large glass windows flood the space with enough natural light. The second and the third bedroom are not an exception either. Each room is equipped with a cozy queen bed with warm beddings. There is ample pillows for a good night's rest and large windows for ventilation. The bathroom has everything you need, including a glass shower, cubicle, flush toilets, as well as a vanity with a large mirror. Additionally, the house has a lot of area situated above the container ceilings, which serves as extra storage, and a cozy lounge spot which can also serve as an additional sleeping space. Allow for multi-purpose use of the loft. The inside of the home showcases feature walls made directly from shipping containers, providing a rustic yet modern charm. The home exterior paints a picture of modern elegance combined with rustic charm. The sleek design of the pitched roof, the pristine white walls, contrasted by the dark framing of the windows, and the expansive veranda all come together in an architectural harmony. The wide lawn stretches invitingly, adorned with fallen leaves, symbolizing a harmonious coexistence with nature. To the left, a well-maintained garden adds a splash of color and texture to the landscape. The open veranda, decked with inviting chairs, beckons guests to relax, unwind, and enjoy the beautiful Australian outdoors. The position of the home slightly elevates on the landscape, ensuring unobstructed views of the surrounding beauty. The property has an outdoor bathtub for you to enjoy a moment of relaxation under the stars. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible on the outside, celebrating the industrial vibe of the house. This amazing container home is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.